We now invite the Bachelor of Arts in General Studies candidates to please stand. Princess Abela Patrice Charles, Trinidad and Tobago. St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Okay. Rebecca Singh, honors. Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad and Tobago. Radios, you may be seated. We now invite